Hello everybody, I am Brittany Tyne and I'm here to speak to you all on the subject of using information and communication technology in the classroom and why it is beneficial. Students of today are surrounded by technology such as mobile phones and computers. As teachers, we can use these technologies to our advantages. Using technology is beneficial to all students of learning different learning capabilities, i.e., learning audio learners, kinesthetic learners, as well as visual learners. Teachers are urged to include technology into everyday learning activities. Looking at Bloom's tonometry table, we are guided in how we, as teachers, can improve our curriculum to suit the various needs. In partnership with Bloom's taxonomy table, Australia's Curriculum, Assessment and Reporting Authority, often known as ACARA, have 7 general capabilities. These aforementioned 7 are literacy, numeracy, critical and creative thinking, as well as information and communication technology capability. In order to appeal to all 7, we appeal to project-based learning, or PBL for short. We can produce the information using 21st century methods. Another suggested method for the curriculum is to allow our students a say in what they will be taught. As permitting this, we are then making the subject more personal, in which will make it more interesting to the pupils. In first semester, we have been given multiple tasks that will strengthen our learning capabilities in regard to incorporating technology to represent information in different ways that will allow these different methods to become more reliable in expressing information. The first assessment piece was to create a blog that explains the Australian curriculum. The next assessments were a student blog that allowed us to submit our weekly activities, an interactive PowerPoint that took our audience on a journey, a creation of another blog named Scoop It that allowed us to share academic findings with other educators, and a spreadsheet that allowed us to present different kinds of data to our audience. Students' ICT expectations allows for the student to use ICT to their advantage, a student able to create their own learning environment. Teachers also benefit from ICT as they are taught to differentiate their strategies to engage their students in regards to their diverse needs. Benefits of using ICT are to aid in developing their understanding towards their subjects. It is suggested that there should be classes specifically designed to enhance students' knowledge regarding the student. When the student is able to use their knowledge of technology to dramatically increase their learning capabilities and excelling their chosen field. As technical pedagogy suggests, it heightens the interest of the child. An example in how this can be demonstrated: technical pedagogical content knowledge, or TPAC for short. Using TPAC, it allows for the content to be expressed creatively and more interestingly by default, whilst a teacher such as myself is able to develop while completing their degree. In case you have not heard the term pedagogy before, it is simply what we as teachers value, as well as what our aims are as an educator in regards to our future students. Therefore, we can develop our pedagogy by including ACARA and project-based learning into our curriculum. An example in how we can apply this information can be to allow students to present their own strengths regarding the subject. Using video, audio, as well as interactive texts, it will have the student learning by their own method, which is relaying information in the medium that suits the student best. Thank you, and I hope you have found this extremely informative.